Hello everybody, how the guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can use how we guys can log in and register for Santander using the Santander Bank official app. Alright, so Santander Bank is formerly a sovereign bank and is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Spanish Standard Group. It is based in Bos and its major market is in the Northwest United States. Alright, so this is like a short information of what Santander Bank is. If you want to know in detail about it, you can visit our official website. Alright, so first step, you can download Santander easily from your Play Store and App Store and open it before moving forward. If you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And let's move on. And once you're over here, where it says document number, you can enter your document number. But if you don't have a document number, you can click on this arrow, and you can choose which type of information you want to provide. So if I choose SIF, I need to enter my SIF number over here, alright, and over here, I need to enter the password of my account. After you enter all your information, if you want to log into account, click on enter. And if the SIF number and passport entered is correct, you should be able to log into your account. And if you forgot your password by chance, you can click on Recover Your Passport in order to recover it. And you can click on the 3-line over here. And over here, you can recover your password by choosing this option. And if you're a Santander shareholder, you can even see its share price. And you can even get its key as well, and you can also become their customer and you can get card for emergencies. You can go to their mobile website as well. You can check their other products out, but that's basically how we guys can use this app. Alright, so hope you guys understand and bye bye.